This video guide is about removing the browser hijacker that is called smartanswersonline.com. Smart Answers Online is a browser hijacker that specifically targets Google Chrome browser. This browser hijacker is often spread through integration with certain free applications. So in many cases, people just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Smartanswersonline.com may hijack the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL too. When people submit some search queries, they eventually notice that the results are delivered by some other fake search engines not chosen by them initially. Often these smartanswersonline.com shows a lot of advertisements and sponsored links which are not really relevant to the search queries. Now, Smart Answers Online also tries to make people click on Allow button to show its multiple pop-ups in the form of push notifications. If you have discovered this smartanswersonline.com to be the part of your Google Chrome, you should remove it immediately. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. If you find any extensions here which are not really decent, get rid of them. In order to make sure that your browser is free of any other hijackers or unwanted extensions, and to remove these hijacker and its remnants, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Refer to this green Download Combo Cleaner button, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.